In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix account disabled in chase.com. So first of all, launch open chase.com application. You can see over here chase.com has been opened. Tap on the more icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Scroll down to the bottom. Now at bottom, you'll be able to find this option for support. Tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the support interface of chase.com. You'll be able to chat with the AI agent. So what you have to do is tap on this option start conversation in order to start the conversation. First of all, the AI agent will direct you to search for the help articles, but what you have to do is tap on this option get more help that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, the AI agent will reply to you and you'll be able to message them. Tap on the message bar that you can see at bottom. Now what you have to do is type in your problem over here. Simply type in my account has been disabled. How do I fix it? Or you can also type in your own words if you want. Now tap on the arrow icon in order to send the message. Now you can see over here your message will be sent. Now AI agent will look into your problem and reply to you. Simply follow all the instructions that the AI agent will tell you to do. You can see over here at first the AI agent will ask you for the email address. Tap on the field of email address and enter the email address associated with your account and tap on the send icon. Now once you send your email address, the AI agent will look into your problem. Simply follow all the instructions and fix your problem. So that is how you fix account disabled in chase.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.